Unfortunately, you have been led to believe that you have to prepare for a gunfight because in every corner or every time that you leave your house, you're going to encounter people who want to fight with you and want to take you alive. Well, I think that is possible if things go bad, but currently, when was the last time that you saw a gunfight? And let's be honest here, a lot of the times, folks keep pushing this gunfights all the time. Oh, there's shootouts everywhere. There is this going on, that other stuff going on. And the reality is, oh yeah, and my favorite one, they point out to because this is going to be like the Wild West. There was not that many gunfights in the Wild West, believe it or not. And don't go into Google and look. No, read for yourself. Go through history books and whatnot. There are really not that many accounts of gunfights and recorded, verify gunfights in the Wild West. Don't quote movies. And I think that's the problem. I think that is the problem, that folks have been pushing this gunfight mindset based on movies. And I don't come here to bash on anyone. You do you. If just preparing for a gunfight makes you happy, and you believe that makes you prepare, by all means. I mean, if it trickles down to other things, I think you're in a good spot. And if you want to, just be prepared just in case, by all means. To me, I'm gonna be brutally honest with y'all. It makes no sense. It makes no sense to me. And I'm going to put forth the argument why it doesn't make sense. And if you think otherwise, I encourage you to put it in the comment section below why it does make sense to you. That way we can have a good discussion between each other and with the rest of the community. So, why preparing for gunfights really doesn't make any sense to me? Well, the reality is that not everybody out there carries a firearm. It just isn't. Think about it from this perspective. And I'm somebody who have trained myself to notice. I'm very observant. So I train myself to always look when people are printing to make sure to see whether or not they have it, if it makes any sense. And I trained myself in this regard back in Florida when printing was a thing, because when I used to live in Florida, open carry was not allowed. So it was concealed carry all the time. So I knew just looking at the way that people were dressing, whether they had a firearm concealed or not. So believe it or not, not many people conceal carry. The general public. I'm not talking about here in the prepper community. I guarantee you that 99.9% people carry, and that 0.01% don't carry because probably they can't. Otherwise they would, right? Put it down in the comment section below. If you could carry, you will carry, right? Here in the prepper community. But outside the prepper community, it's a different story. In fact, I know quite a few people who consciously don't because they are afraid of them. They're afraid of firearms, and that this is truth. I have a family member who is terrified of firearms. She deals with me because she knows how safe I am about those tools, but she's 100% terrified about firearms. So she refuses to have one. Go figure. Don't understand it, but it's her choice. The thing is that is her choice, and nobody can take it away. For those of you for those people who say, well, the Second Amendment, well, she chooses not to exercise her Second Amendment, but she has it. Anyways, now, so I train myself to look for, for people that print, whether it's hip, whether it's under, whether it's under ankles. I train myself to look, and I'm pretty good at spotting who does and who doesn't. So I know for a fact, based on personal observations, that not a lot of people carry. I've done this at Walmart, public places, everywhere. Essentially, I can spot when somebody's carrying. Here is a little different because here people don't give a hoop about it, and a lot of people open carry, me included, because it's a lot more comfortable. So sometimes I just have a shirt that is over the firearm, but I carry all the time. But do I want to get into a gunfight? I do not. I carry mainly to protect myself because where I am, there's a lot of wild animals. A lot of wild animals that probably going to do me more harm than anything else. In Florida, I carry, but I never wanted to get into a gunfight. Ever. The last thing that I want is get into one. Because a lot of folks don't understand that they go in there with a 50-50 chance. They, in their mind, and I'm going to be honest here with all of you, in their mind, they're training about a gunfight and they think they're just going to win. That is not always the case. You have 50-50 chance. In fact, in order for you to win, somebody have to lose. And if it's not your day, you may be the loser that day. So, yes, I did carry, but I never wanted to get into a gunfight like some other people do. And the problem is that when you see folks quoting movies, they don't understand that nobody gets shot in there. Nobody. So why you want to imitate a movie that is for entertainment purposes, I don't understand. Those who have experienced combat that I have spoken to, they all tell me the exact same thing. I do not want to get into a gunfight. I will avoid a gunfight at all costs. Those who have experienced that and who actually had got shot. Law enforcement that I had talked to tell me the same thing over and over. I do not want to get into a gunfight. So professionals said that they don't want to get into a gunfight. Professionals meaning soldiers. Professionals, law enforcement, tell me that they do not want to get into a gunfight. People like me with a 1% of common sense tell you that don't get into a gunfight because you have 50-50 chance. And yet there is a group out there saying that, yeah, you should. Make the argument why. I am utterly confused and concerned every time that I hear folks quoting movies. I am very concerned when I'm hearing folks like, in a gunfight, but you had never been in it. You have never been in one. And if you have, like soldiers have, like police have, they all said, don't. But you go based on a movie saying, get into it. I'm sorry to say, but I totally and 100% disagree with that. So I would say this to everyone. And again, if you disagree with me, put it down in the comment section below. Stop and avoid gunfights at all time. Avoid it. Have your tool with you, train with it, and pray that you never have to use it. Maybe this sounds contradictory. It does not to me. I want to have the tool in case, but I am not. And I will never encourage anybody to get or look for a gunfight. Just don't. That's the way I think. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.